All right, guys, inflammation is the absolute root cause of virtually every single disease, every issue you are having, maybe your children are having, maybe your mom's having, somebody in your life is having, and most likely it's probably you as well. Inflammation is the root cause of that. So if we can just get rid of your inflammation, which we're gonna do, all you do is just follow our little meal plan and just eat one ingredient food. It fixes everything. Anxiety, gone. Depression, gone. I was on medication for both of them for the last 25 years. Immediately, within 30 days, I was able to, I don't need this anymore. I feel unbelievable. Diabetes, gone. Brain fog, how much brain fog do we have in this world? ADHD, Alzheimer's, low energy, cancer. So what's happening here, I don't want to get too crazy on this. Sleep, sex drive, autoimmune, arthritis. But what's happening here is the reason why we're having so many of these diseases now is our guts are so messed up, and that is where our immune system is. So when stuff goes in, our immune system, 90% of it is in our gut. And if it can't actually process and attack those diseases, then they get into our body. And that's what's happening. Our guts are so diffused and defeated right now that they can't stop these diseases. And it's absolutely killing us. And we can reverse all of it just by getting the inflammation out of our body, and then all of this stuff goes away. You don't have to be on any medication. I don't care what you're suffering from. 99% of it is due to inflammation. Follow our meal plan. Contact me. I will not let you suffer and be in that pain. There's so much of this from all the toxins, all the chemicals we're putting in our body are absolutely killing us. Look at the gas stations. You go in there, it's just full of energy drink because everybody's just just trying to get through the day. And if you're trying to do any sort of I want to quit alcohol, but I just feel like crap all the time, and alcohol makes me feel better. If you want to quit alcohol, get rid of the inflammation in your body through the foods you're putting in. You're going to feel so amazing. It's like, I don't even want to escape this. I don't need the alcohol. Maybe I'll have it at a party for here and there, but I don't need it on a regular basis anymore because I just feel amazing and I don't want to mess with that. So follow our plan. Contact me if you have any detailed questions. I will not let you suffer. And inflammation is the root to everything. And we're going to fix any issue you have just by putting one ingredient food that God created. Not one ingredient. I don't even think there is a man-made one ingredient food, but not putting those chemicals in our bodies anymore. It's absolutely killing us. And the chronic diseases, everything, just look at it, is going through the absolute roof. And there's only one common change in the last 20 years. The chemicals in our food have absolutely changed and caused all of this.